Hey guys, I'm out here in the garage, not working on the car per se, but cleaning up, organizing some things, going through shelves and parts and stuff, and I kind of found something neat that I forgot I had. I think if you're a car guy, you probably find this pretty cool. So let's take a look what I found. Okay guys, this is what I found. I forgot I had this. I think I've mentioned it in some past old videos, but thought I'd show you real quick here that we got a grease gun. This is for a Lincoln. I think it was a Lincoln Continental that my grandfather bought new and was part of the, I think, export package or something. He was an Air Force, Army Air Corps veteran, and didn't retire until the 60s or 70s there. But so it makes sense he would have things like this. But this is the grease gun. Apparently came with that car. It's got some pretty neat markings in here. We get in, you can see the, let me get my hand out of the way. Here, it's got Lincoln stamped on there. It's got a patent number from 1945 on there. Made in, I think, St. Louis. Yeah, St. Louis, Missouri. So you got the Lincoln on the handle and it's stamped on both sides. There's some other stampings up here that are kind of cool if you can see that. I don't know if that's a part number or whatnot. And then up here, I can get that to focus. Focus. There's some more on the nozzle. There's still some grease in it. I have no idea how old this grease is. You can see the brown tannish grease that's in there. So pretty neat thing. I've pumped it up here and it has squirted out some grease. I don't think there's a lot of it left in there, but I just thought that was cool to go through. I said I'd forgotten I had this. My dad gave it to me when he was going through some of my grandfather's stuff, and he thought I'd be interested in it. So yeah, really cool find. The only problem I have with it is the rod here where the grease goes to connect to the Zerk fittings and all. That's fixed. That would be hard to get into some tight places, but maybe in a 1950s something, late 40s Lincoln, that wouldn't be a problem. Who knows? I really don't know. But anyway, I just thought that was really cool. Thought I'd share that little piece of automotive history with you that I had found. Who knows? Maybe I'll try to use it on the old Stang at some point there. But yeah, I thought that's kind of cool. That old Lincoln part, grease gun that came with the car when my grandfather bought it new. So with that, guys, I'm going to get back to working in the garage, getting things straightened out. So we'll see you in the next video.